Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be walking through how I built this laundry pedestal, and it's really simple. I'm going to show you guys every step of the way, and stay tuned. The first step here was framing the 3 walls. So to do that I used a 2x4 pressure treated wood for the bottom plates, and then I used normal 2x4s for the studs, and then for the top on the left and right sides I ripped a 2x4 in half and I nailed that so it's like a half top plate, and that'll give me space for the other top plates that span the 3 walls to connect to. And then the middle wall, I didn't have a top plate at all. That one was just 2x4s for the studs as well as the bottom plate, which is what you see here. And then right here what I'm doing is I'm arranging the 3 walls and I'm connecting them with the top plate that spans the 3, and I'm just using 3-inch galvanized nails from a nail gun to hold this all together. For this other part, what I did is I made use of some cabinet boards that I had, and I was just removing the old hardware and I laid them out, and I was going to use this instead of a 4x8 plywood or sheathing, just because this part doesn't need to be that strong. It's more just about creating a top solid surface for the machines to stand on. I'm nailing it in with some 1.5" 5D nails, galvanized. And for this last part, what I also did is I used a chalk line in my circular saw just to make one cut to get all the pieces to the right length so it was a clean finish. So I was snapping a chalk line right here and pulling out the old circular saw along with my dust mask with P100 filters, just because you don't know what kind of paint this was. Hopefully it's not lead. That is the finished product. Thanks for watching, everyone.